Today we are going to see the problems in this lesson, physical and chemical equilibrium. Question number 40. The question given is 1 mole of PCl5 is heated in 1 liter closed container. So if 0.6 mole of chlorine is found at equilibrium, means calculate the value of equilibrium constant. So they are asking you to calculate the equilibrium constant. So what is given at the initial concentration அப்படினாலே the formula வந்து what you have to write concentration, or we can write molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles by volume. So if you find the answer for number of moles by volume, you will get molarity. Molarity is otherwise called as concentration. Okay, what is the thing? One more thing which is given is chlorine. Equilibrium concentration of chlorine is 0.6 mole is given. So if PCl5 is dissociated, we will be getting PCl3 plus Cl2. So now we have to find this value. How we got this value? So they are asked you to just calculate the Kc. Kc means equilibrium constant. So you know the formula, equilibrium constant is equal to product by reactant. So here product is PCl3 and Cl2, whereas reactant is PCl5. So before doing this sum, I'll just write out something. First you put a box. So PCl5 is the reactant here. PCl3 and Cl2 is product here, because this is dissociation reaction. First one, initial concentration. Initial concentration is given as 1 mole. How we got 1 mole, which is given in the question. That is 1 mole of a PCl5 is divided by 1 volume of dm cube. 1 volume of dm cube இருக்கிற வெசல்ல 1 mole of PCl5 வந்து டம்ப் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க, right? So initial concentration is 1. So this two thing we don't know. One more information is given as 0.6 mole of chlorine gas is at equilibrium condition. உனக்கு 0.6 இப்போ வந்து இது வந்து 1 mole react ஆகுது அப்படின்னா it has to give the same 1 mole of PCl3 and 1 mole of Cl2. If 0.6 mole of chlorine is in equilibrium condition, means PCl3 also will be at 0.6 mole of equilibrium condition, so that the thing will be happening correctly. அப்போ இது 0.6 na இதுவும் 0.6 தான். So we can write moles at equilibrium வந்து 0.6 தான். So if PCl5 has to give this 0.6 moles, it has to react 0.6. அப்போ இப்போ நம்ம வந்து 1 mole of PCl5 gives 1 mole of PCl3 plus 1 mole of Cl2 ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Instead of 1 mole, I am going to write 0.6. இப்போ 0.6 mole of PCl5 reacted to give 0.6 mole of PCl3 at equilibrium and 0.6 mole of chlorine is at equilibrium. So இவ்வளோ ரியாக்ட் ஆனால் தான் இது ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலிபிரியம் கண்டிஷனில் இருக்க முடியும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஒன்லி பாசிபிள். ஸோ ஓகே, இப்போ இனிஷியல் கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் ஆஃப் PCl5 இஸ் 1 mole is given. Number of moles reacted 0.6 we have got. So what is the remaining moles? So remaining moles at equilibrium என்ன அப்போ 1 minus 0.6, that is 0.4. Are you able to understand? So substitute all this value here. Kc is equal to PCl3 0.6, chlorine 0.6 by PCl5 உடைய value வந்து 0.4. இது எல்லாத்தையும் calculate பண்ணி simplify பண்ணோன்னா we will be getting 0.9. Okay, next sum, 41st sum. So for the reaction, strontium carbonate gives a calculate Kc. அதே தான். So it's a very simple sum. So in this formula we are going to find out Kp is equal to Kc, and the formula use பண்ண போகிறோம் since Kp value is given. So just you apply this formula, Kp is equal to Kc RT delta Ng வரணும். Okay, look at this thing, this change this one solid இருக்கு, just change as a gas. So delta Ng means what? Product minus reactant. இங்கே reactant இதுவுமே gas கிடையாது, so 0. Product மட்டும் 1. அப்போ delta Ng வந்து 1. So 1 is understood that Kp is equal to Kc தான் வந்துடும். Okay, so what is the value given? Kp 2.24. Kc into what is this one? R into T. R உடைய value வந்து we can take 0.0821 here. நம்ம 3 values படிச்சிருக்கோம் gas constant. So here we are using this 0.0821. The temperature is given 1002. Just simplify all those things, you will be getting this value. Okay, next sum. To study the decomposition of HI, a student fills an evacuated 3 liter flask with 0.3 mole of HI gas. At equilibrium, the concentration of HI is equal to 0.05. Calculate Kc as well as Kp. So what we have to understand in this sum அப்படின்னா decomposition of HI. So HI வந்து decompose ஆகுது, so that it is giving H2 and I2, and he found that the concentration of HI At equilibrium condition is 0.05. They ask you to calculate Kc and Kp. First, volume is given as 3 liter. So what is the initial concentration of HI? It is not given. So to find the concentration, what is the formula we have studied? Moles per volume. So 0.3 by 3L potana 0.1 mole. That is the initial concentration. So put a box like this here. So HI inge vandu adha reactant, H2 and I2 the product, because this reaction vandu dissociation of HI. Initial concentration enna 0.1. Okay, so the reactor vandu நம்ம அப்புறம் fill பண்ணிக்கலாம். What is given? The equilibrium concentration of HI is 0.05. அப்போ initial concentration is 0.1 னா equilibrium concentration 0.5. அப்போ 0.1 minus 0.5 பண்ணும்போது we will be getting 0.05. that is இது 1, இது x அப்படின்னா 1 minus x தான் இது. ஸோ இது எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா, ஜஸ்ட் பார் 2x is equal to, இது வந்து எக்ஸோட வேல்யூ வந்து 0.05. 2x is equal to எழுதுவோம்ல, இது 1, இது வந்து இங்கே 1, இங்கே வந்து இப்போ உனக்கு என்ன கிடச்சிருக்கு 2x is equal to 0.05. அப்போ x equal to what? 0.05 by 2. Just what we have studied for Kp and Kc derivation, just think over that and apply here. We will be getting 0.025. And what is the next thing? Substitute in the given Kc and you find the value. Kc is equal to 0.25. Simplification now. So here Kp is equal to kandupidiக்க formula enna? Kc into RT delta Ng. Here product minus gaseous, both everything is gas. So என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா product வந்து 1 plus 1 2, reactant to 2 minus 2 வந்து 0. So anything power 0 வந்து 1. So Kp is equal to Kc. அப்போ 0, both the values are 0.2525. Okay. Next sum, 43rd sum. What is the next sum? Is methane. 1 mole of methane, 1 mole of CS2, 2 mole of hydrogen sulfide or 2 mole of hydrogen are mixed in a flask. Equilibrium constant is given. In this question they ask you in which direction the reaction will proceed. So just we are going to see which direction the reaction will be proceeded. So what is given thing? Methane react with hydrogen sulfide to form CS2 plus 4 hydrogen. Equilibrium constant is given as 4 in 10 power minus 2 mole per liter. Volume is given as 500 milliliter, so it is half liter. So first of all you have to find the concentration of each and every compound here. So methane, CS2, H2S and hydrogen, so that you can able to find out the direction of the reaction. That Q கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும் உன்னால. ஓகேவா? So what is the mole given here? Mole by volume. அப்போ 1 by half is 2 mole. அதே மாதிரி CS2 கண்டுபிடிங்க. H2S and H2 இதெல்லாம் substitute பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? So Q is equal to what is the formula? Product by reactant. Product என்ன? CS2 4H2 எப்படி வரணும்? H2 power 4. அதே மாதிரி CH4 H2S power square. அப்போ Q is equal to கொடுத்துருக்க வேல்யூ substitute பண்ண 2 into 4 power 4 by 2 into 4 square. The value is 16. What is the value given for Kc in the textbook? 4 in 10 power minus 2 அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? 0.04. But what is the value we got for Q? 16. So the value is greater than, Q value is greater than Kc. Therefore which reaction will which reaction will proceed? Therefore the reaction will proceed in the reverse direction to reach the equilibrium. So backward reaction நடக்கும். Okay va? Next sum, 44th sum. At particular temperature, the sum is very simple. Kc, at particular temperature for Kc the reaction equilibrium constant is given. So they have given 3 questions and they ask for H2S, H2 plus half S2, Kc is given. அதாவது H2S hydrogen sulfide gas வந்து react ஆகுது, dissociate ஆகுதுன்னா it gives hydrogen plus half sulfur gas. இதுக்கு equilibrium constant value கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. அப்போ 2H2Sக்கும் 3H2Sக்கும் என்ன வேல்யூன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளோதான், very simple. You can go through this sum. If you have any doubt you ask me. It's a very easy sum, you can do it. So we'll move on.